Tonight, what I'm going to do is tell you guys about a story wherein I sold a property within 57 days and got my highest price possible. There are very effective strategies we use to be able to sell a home quickly and get your greatest possible dollar. So I'm going to go over those with you today. Number one, first we fully furnish the home. That means there is new furniture in every room, in the kitchen, in the cupboards, in the garage. We stage the back porch. The entire house plus the surrounding area is fully furnished so that when people walk into the house, it looks brand new. Second thing we do is we list on Friday evenings. The reason we list on Friday evenings is because on Friday evenings, that gives all the real estate agents a list to be able to start on Saturday morning. Some will come on Friday evening. Next is that we allow the house to be shown till Monday, at which point the offers will start to flow in. One other thing that I need to mention is we list the home low. So as an example, on this particular property, I comped it and the comp value on it was around $275,000 to $280,000. There was no other inventory in the neighborhood. We listed it at $250,000. A lot of times you guys will say, well, I don't want to list at $250,000 because then I might take that amount of money. That's not true at all. If you list at $250,000, you drive the traffic into the home. By Monday, you'll have multiple offers. And then what we do is on Monday, we set for a final invest offer for Friday. That only gives them about 4 days, which is enough time for them to feel like it's okay to stay, to hang in to the deal. By Wednesday, we identify how high the offers have gone. In this case, we had several offers. The highest offer was about $285,000. So on Wednesday, we bumped the price from $250,000 up to $285,000. What that does is let the market know that you are now asking for more because the market is demanding more. In this particular case, by Friday, we had probably roughly 150 showings and more than 20 offers on the table. Our highest offer was $305,000. So on Friday, we bumped the offer again, or bumped the listing price to $300,000. That lets everyone know where the market is, how high people are going. And then Friday night, we had our final invest at 5 p.m. If you do your final invest at 5 p.m., there will always be people that will come in at the last minute and say, can you give us a few more days? Can you give us another day? Which allows us to stretch into the weekend. Most people expect you to come in and accept their offer on Friday night. But the real estate agent will let them know that it's going to take a little bit for the sellers to be able to decide which offer they want. Once they come in and they make all their offers, then you will have negotiations that'll go on through the weekend. During the weekend time, it also allows you to pick up more showings, and now the people that are showing are expecting that the house is worth $300,000 or more. So there's a good chance that those offers will come in higher or at par at a minimum. Then by Monday, we normally accept our offer. What that does is it gives us 2 full weekends to show. In the middle, we work the number up, and then on Monday, we work our final and best offers. In this particular case, the house went under contract for $305,000 cash, closed in 2 weeks. We did have a $307,000 offer. It was conventional with hard money down, but we decided to go with the quicker close at 2 weeks. So that thing sold for $305,000, 25 to 30 grand above the market in the area. No one expected it to go that high. That raised the comp values across that whole subdivision $30,000 by the strategies we use. You do not want to make the mistake that most real estate agents make. What they do is they list the house at what the comp value is. An offer comes in at list. They may negotiate it a little or not, accept it, and call it a day, and put the house under contract for $275,000 or $280,000. Whenever someone tells me that they sold their house in 4 hours or a day or a couple days, I immediately think they did not market or list it properly. If you do not give your buyers time to look at the asset and be able to make an offer and compete for it, then you will lose the buyers that are willing to pay more, and you don't work them up properly. So best results come through a 10-day listing process where you give everyone time to come in, make an offer, and then compete against each other for highest and best price.